With the flood of data and the complexity of the computational problems that we have today, from the domain sciences to mathematics, the tools from the 20th century are simply not enough. And what we need today are tools that enable a broad community of scientists, mathematicians, and researchers to come together in one space and actually collaborate on these very complex problems, bring their ideas, bring their data, bring computational resources, and actually engage these complex problems in one space together. And over the last 10, 20, 30 years, what we've figured out is the right way to do that is actually build tools enabled by the internet and build communities that engage those problems in an open and collaborative way. Those open tools are basically the open source tools of the last couple of decades from the internet. These open tools are the tools that projects like Project Jupiter and SAGE and the communities around those, because these tools are actually, these names are placeholders for much broader communities, enable. Project Jupiter is a project that started originally as a project called IPython that began as my personal problem solving when I was a graduate student. And I planted one little seed when I was a graduate student that actually then grew into a much broader community where many, many others have actually done all of the hard work. And it's a large community of many, many scientists contributing many tools that really make it into what it is today. SAGE is a project that William Stein began when he was a mathematician at Harvard, solving his problems in number theory, trying to get the tools he needed together. And that blossomed into a large community of mathematicians aggregating open tools for mathematics from multiple domains. Those tools together come into an environment like SageMath Cloud as a platform for folks to collaborate, to engage, and to bring their tools and data together into an environment where they can not only do computation, but they can also have their results, communicate, collaborate, and present their results to each other and have a community where those results are then shared with each other. That's the kind of environment that was unthinkable 10 or 20 years ago, but that we need to build today based completely on an open platform.